Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I will walk you through how to navigate on the new user interface. As you can see, we have two user interfaces right here. The old one that allows you to log in, as well as the new one that you can log in through. All existing users would have to create a new account on the new user interface by clicking this link. And it brings us to this form where you can put in your username. Your username will be your phone number. It has to be your phone number, especially your cell phone number, because that way we will be able to send you SMS text messages, confirmations each time you make a payment. Your password can either be your old, or you can change your password here. Both systems are not related. Put in your email address, also needed as part of your account setup, both for credit card validation as well as confirmation of other transactions as well. Your user type, so here we're confirming the password, and the next section is the user type, and always it has to be a personal account. So once you select that, we'll move to your personal profile section. Here you put in your address, home address, make sure your postal code is also accurate, and then obviously your credit card number and the CVV code, which is the 3-digit or 4-digit number on the back of your card, either as a Visa or MasterCard. Once you click submit, you get a confirmation page that tells you that your account has been created successfully, and then we can now go to the main page and log in with these new credentials. Next step is we're going to put in the login information, which is your cell phone number and your password that you just created. I normally like clicking remember me, but if you're using a public computer, don't do that. And we can see on the left side of this screen new sets of navigation menu, vertical menu, and we'll walk through each of them as we go along. The first one is view points, where you can view all the points you accumulate. Each time you make a payment, you get points. The next to view points is credit card payment. This is where you would always top up your account and make payment. Just put in the amount and select the type of card, and most importantly, your expiry date. You don't have to put in your Visa or MasterCard number, and once you click submit, your account is credited. The next section is mobile recharge. With mobile recharge, you can send money to phone numbers across the world, to various carriers. Once you click on make transfer, you have your account number, and then you can enter the destination number where you want to add money to. Here I'm putting in 234, which is country code Nigeria. I click on submit. It's a two-step process. So the first step will go to the server and fetch the carrier, and then now we can validate the number we're sending, and then we have a transaction amount that shows the available funds to be transferred based on your balance. You have $10 in this account, and so we only have up to $9.90 to send. The more you have on your account, the more you will be able to send. Once we submit, we'll get a confirmation, and we can move to the next section, which is the account information. In the account information section, we have all these various menus. If you click on account details, this section basically just gives you detailed information about your account in terms of your password, your login, which we will find useful as we go along. You also have your start date, activation date, We have your password right there. You have your login. We also have your bill status and your SIP status, as well as your balance and a few other information. The next menu is the update account menu. Allows you to update your account information. We have the change password menu. You can always update your password here. And we have the add registered number menu. This allows you to add additional numbers that you want to use for pinless dialing. Automatically, your cell phone number is added when you register for pinless, and then you can add more numbers for family members. Once you do that, you get a confirmation message. It was acted successfully. We will go and list and we can see that the number was added successfully in the list section. You can also remove that number or any other number you wish. Just click on remove number, put in the number you want to remove there, and then just submit. It will be automatically removed with a confirmation message. And you can also go back to the list section to see the number, and we'll find out that the number does not exist anymore. Other section is the call detail report, where we can view all our call transactions. You can go select any date range you wish, and once you click submit, it gives us a range of information where you can see your call records. We can view our access numbers if you're in various cities in Canada for now. Our US numbers will be added periodically. You can see all the various cities that we have numbers and customers. You can also view the rate to various destinations across the world. This rate structure is quite different from the old system, in the sense that now you can actually see not only the price point, but you can also see how many minutes you get per denomination. That way you are aware of how much you're getting and how much you want to load on your account based on the denomination. We have our FAQ section where questions can be answered, and we also have our contact us page where you can send us suggestions, concerns as well. Just select the subject line as appropriate, fill out the form, make sure the captcha is filled out properly, and then click submit. Another thing we want to note at this point is our mobile apps. We have mobile apps in Android and Apple Store. So in the download our app section, you can actually download our app and use it to manage, and it gives you even a better user experience using the app. I'll be clicking on the App Store now, and then we will see where our app is located. Click on the free download button in iTunes Store, and you will see on your phone this form. Once you click on the form, and once you install it, click on the QR code right there, and then go to the accounts details section of this account, where you can retrieve your username and password. Those are the only criteria that you need to complete your app installation. Once you can retrieve that, put that information in the app and submit it, and you're ready to go using the app. We also have other features on this website, like the web callback functionality. From any browser, if you click on the web callback, you can initiate calls and join conversations with other parties. Put in your information in there in the called party and click connect us now, and you'll be connected to the third party. Also, we have a unified communicator software, which is a thick client which you can install on your computer. It is compatible with all the major operating systems, and in this section you can download either your 32-bit or 64-bit version for Windows. We also have for Debian and Mac OS. Other features include call recording, conference call, and many more SMS that you can do on this system. Before we go, I would like to emphasize on our referral program, where you can refer your friends, and for every friend you refer, you will get credit to your account. You have to be an account holder, obviously, to refer, and the moment your friend signs up, you will get credit. Thank you for watching this tutorial.